Okay, guys, this is just a note about your relive. You can make these shakes ahead of time. I made one yesterday that I was going to have as a meal replacement, but then I noticed my husband brought the core protein and the protein cookies with us to the barn, so I wanted to have those with him. So I decided to make a smaller shake to take with me to the farm. So then I had this big meal replacement shake, which looks about like that much powder. It's got my chocolate, it's got my collagen, plus all the Relo products. So today, because I had a crazy emotional day, I'm just going to use this one today. Right? So I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to see you guys live at 5 or a little bit before. So look, I just water in my blender. I like to blend it up with some yogurt, and you just pour in the powders. And then what do? You add whatever else, you know, if you're just doing the basics and you're doing like me, shake for lunch and then a meal, you can just add your yogurt, which I've got right here. The Chobani Greek yogurt, whole milk, plain. That's what I use. And then whatever berries that we need to use. Like we have raspberries. We have raspberries, blueberries, usually. We have a bunch of different berries. These are all anti-inflammatory berries. Berries are anti-inflammatory and they're low glycemic index. So they don't raise your blood sugar. So if you're going to do this plan of replacing one meal a day with yogurt and, I got to find a place to put this now. Oh, shoot. My husband got a new system and there's no room. Maybe there is room. Hi. Where'd the puppy go? Macy, come here. Okay. I had to call the puppies. So your yogurt and then your berries. Yogurt's plain. I also use this if I want sour cream for something, with something. This is a great replacement for sour cream. So now I add the raspberries, however much you want. I just take a handful or just do a few of them. And then you can put ice in it if you want. I've been freezing, guys. In the spring, I always freeze. So I'm not going to add any ice to this because I've been cold all day. That's why I got this stupid hat on. So you blend it. It's so good, guys. It's the best nutrition on the planet. I'll put the link below. And guys, I will see you live at 5. And I like a straw with mine because it keeps me from getting it all over me. And especially because I self-tan today. If you can't tell, I self-tan today. So it helps me get ready. I'm sorry, I'm watching the puppy. There she is. She's down, but good down, baby. So there you go. So that's what it looks like with the raspberries. You can add whipped cream if you want, but it's so good. Guys, I'll see you at 5. So good. Chocolate raspberry. See you later. Bye.